In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an efficient ticketing system using Google Forms and Google Sheets. This simple yet powerful setup allows you to manage and track requests seamlessly. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to open Google Forms. If you're not familiar with it, Google Forms is a tool within the Google Suite that lets you create surveys, quizzes, and forms for data collection, perfect for our ticketing system. Once you're in Google Forms, begin by creating a new form. You can give it a straightforward name like Support Ticket System to clearly identify its purpose. Now, it's time to decide which information you need to gather when someone submits a ticket. Some common fields include name, email, and issue description. It's also a good idea to add fields like priority level and preferred contact method. These details will help you prioritize and manage tickets efficiently. As you add each question, make sure to set them as required fields to ensure all the necessary information is collected. Once your form is structured, the next step is to connect it to a Google Sheet. This will automatically populate each form submission into a spreadsheet, allowing for easy tracking and management of all incoming requests. Simply click on the Responses tab in your form, and then click on the green Sheets icon to create a new sheet or link to an existing one. With your Google Sheet set up, each submitted form response will create a new row, making it easy to review, sort, and filter ticket information. You can enhance your ticketing system by using Sheets' built-in functions to organize data, set up notifications for new responses, or even automate tasks using the Google Sheets add-on called Form Publisher. For ease of access, distribute your newly created Google form by sharing the link or embedding it on your website. This way, when users need to submit a ticket, they can easily fill out the form online. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Consider using Google Sheets' built-in notification rules to send you an email alert whenever a new ticket is submitted. This feature helps you stay on top of incoming issues and respond promptly. And there you have it, a simple yet effective ticketing system using Google Forms and Google Sheets. Not only does it streamline your ticket management process, but it also allows you to track and resolve issues with greater efficiency. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.